Okay, this one says use generic rectangles. I'm going to wipe that out, right? We're going to multiply each of these expressions. So I'll do A first, right? X plus 2 times x minus 5. And we're going to distribute in. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 5 is negative 5x. Now the 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. And we have like terms, x squared minus 3x minus 10. Okay, so that's A. B, I'll do up here, right? We have y plus 2x times y plus 3x. So y times y is y squared. Y times 3x is 3xy. Now the 2x times y is 2xy. And the 2x times 3x is 6x squared. Like terms, y squared plus 5, plus 5xy plus 6x squared, right? Y squared plus 5xy plus 6x squared. Okay, and the next one, C. Let's see if we can fit it here. We have 3y minus 8 times negative x plus y. So 3y times negative x is negative 3xy. 3y times y is 3y squared. Now the negative 8. Negative 8 times negative x is plus, right? Negative times negative is plus 8x. And negative 8 times y is negative 8y. Like terms, we have none, so we can leave it just like that for that one. And the last one, sure, let's squeeze that in here. We have x minus 3y times x plus 3y. And we've done problems like this, and we realize something kind of nice happens. So x times x is x squared. X times 3y is plus 3xy. Then negative 3y times x is negative 3xy. And negative 3y times positive 3y is minus 9y squared. Like terms, they cancel out. So we're left with x squared minus 9y squared.